Babe, what's wrong? Did you have a bad dream or something? What do you mean? Honey, chill. It's barely 9 in the morning. And today's a Sunday, not a Monday. So you don't have to work today. But if you know you don't have to work today, then why are you starting right now? I mean, surely you can rest a bit more. I get you get anxious about it. Hmm? Just don't forget about yourself, alright? No, it's not. Um, Baby, come on. I don't mean to say these things to get you mad or annoy you. I just simply want to remind you that you deserve breaks. Give me your hands and look at me. You're not a mechanical steam engine that can work 24/7 without any problems. You're already one of the best at work with all this effort you're giving them. Just for a little while, baby. Hmm? Just an hour with me, holding you and cuddling you like this. And after that, we can get up and be productive. Well, at least somewhat productive. There you go, honey. There we go. Shh. No, no, no. That can wait. We have the whole day to us. Plenty of hours to fill. You're so amazing the way you dedicate yourself. How you run things to make sure that everything goes smoothly. But if you go on putting all this work to yourself constantly, then you'll burn out. And knowing you, you'll be even more stressed than you are now because you're not working. And I love you far too much to let that happen, honey. So please, baby, don't kill yourself for the job. They're capable of handling themselves for a few days. You mad at me? Good, good. I love you, baby. And I'll always take care of you. But you know that, right? Well, you know now. Someone getting heavy eyes? Hmm? Hmm. That's right. Go back to sleep. Rest your beautiful eyes while I hold you. Yeah? And when you wake up, I'll make us some nice breakfast, okay? Does that sound nice? I can make you anything you want, or whatever you're in the mood for. We can make some pancakes, made with some berries or chocolate chips. Or just plain with a ton of syrup on top. Or waffles in that waffle maker we got for Christmas. Or we can have some of my special breakfast burritos. Those were good last time, right? Bacon? Okay, if that's what you want. How about, a nice fried up omelet with bacon and toast and coffee? If that's what my baby wants, then I'll help you fry it up. Good night, honey.